Good morning, good morning. Let me copy this. All right. Let me get TikTok up. Oh, also, really quickly, maybe let me do... I gotta fix my chop zone. NQ 12568. Oops. And 12548. Also, I'm gonna need... Look at that. That's funny. Oh my gosh, look at this perfect move. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, I'll just put this here. I'll put this here. I'll break down the chart in a little bit. Let's get TikTok up. Also, I want to do the zones for ES and NQ. This is ES. 4016. So smaller zones today, but our chop zones were already out of NQs. I'm assuming we're also already out of ES as I haven't looked. 12, 5, 6, 8. But I just want to put them in place if they do come back, like say it opened. All right, cool. All right, let me go live. Oh, I was like, what is that? That was my TikTok. All right. Go live. What time is it? 9:24. Oh, yeah. The market's about to open. Oh, also, I have this over here. Let me turn this down. All right. We look pretty ready. Yeah? Oh, one thing I didn't change was the LIS. I think I put it 12588 and 12589. Oh, there it is. Look at that extra resistance. All right, cool. Morning, morning. There's 10 of you on YouTube. Thanks for joining. Feel free to give a thumbs up. I go live every day. If you appreciate the stream, please follow and think about giving a thumbs up. Hey, TikTok, what's up? Let me move this maybe down here a bit. Morning, morning, morning. All right, so once we get a few more people in here, I will start breaking down this NASDAQ chart, and then we can start the day. The market's going to open in 5 minutes, so that's perfect. Good morning, good morning. We had a really nice move. So GDP, was that also at 8:30? Obviously, I know unemployment report comes out, jobless claims comes out at 8:30. Perfect move here. We were under the chop zone. The chop zone is pretty small today, so it's only 45 to 65, so it's about 20 points. I know we had one like that maybe one day last week, but we can see we moved up. We hit this resistance. I have a level here, 12581. Then we have the LIS. It didn't seem like the LIS really got in the way much, and now we're just continuing. So, no, I'm not going to look at SPY. I have ES on another chart. I have ES right over here. This is ES. But I don't trade the SPY. I only trade futures. It's the only thing I trade. All right, so if you're new here, I go live every day from about 9:15 to 10:30. I trade futures. I do, good morning, Tahoe and T-Bone. So, I trade futures. Pretty much that's the only thing. I do sometimes, I'll randomly talk about an option play, or I'll randomly talk about some common shares, but my specialty is futures. And if you want to learn more about futures, what they are, how they work, what are the benefits to futures over stocks or options, I will gladly go over that in this stream and essentially every other stream. I'm also live on YouTube, where I record every single live session, so you can go back and fact check me or just watch all of the past ones and see kind of what I'm about and what the algorithm is about. So we're going to be breaking down this NASDAQ chart right now before the market opens, and talk about our plan for the day for manual trades. And then on top of that, we're going to be watching the auto trading algorithm, which will 100% fully trade for me. It will get in a trade, it will get out of a trade, it will take profit, it will move the stop loss into the green, it will trail the stop loss. So yeah. All right, so now that we have a bunch of people in here, she said benefits feature more risky than options. Nope, not true. UHFFT, if you have a stop loss in place, it's actually not as risky. Number two, the tax implications are a lot more favorable if you trade futures than if you trade common shares or options. Number three, the market's open 23 hours a day. Number four, there's no PDT rules, so you'll never get flagged or penalized if you trade more than 3 times in a week. Number four, you only need a minimum of $400 to trade. So, okay, bye UHFT. Yes, this is the NASDAQ 100. Yep. But it's not, I know some people use the forex side, and this is not the forex. This is just on the futures market. So, all right, again, the chop zone today is from 12.548 to about 12.568. We've already moved out of it during that report. Hung out here at this level and then have moved up since. This is my next level, but it seems like it might be able to get over it. 12.615. Above that, this is a really, really hard resistance. You can see yesterday it ran into it at that last move up, and then it shot back down. So we'll see if we can get through it today. That is 12.650. Like, we went right through that area that I thought was going to be super hard. So the ultimate target for today, if we continue to move up and we can clear this 12.650, would be this pivot of 12.785. So we'll see what happens. The market's opening in 1 minute. My tea is waiting for me in the kitchen, so I'm going to go grab it. But again, nothing to really do yet. I could always, if we get a large move up and kind of pull back to this support, or if we pull back to the LIS, it could take a long off the LIS around 88. Honestly, even if we pull back to 600, that could be a nice little scalp up to 615.
Target filled.
So I'm going to wait on that. I also have, was that this one? Yeah. All right, let me grab my tea. I'll be right back. Is Meta good? Nope. So I don't do options and I don't do stocks. Please read that. I'll be right back with my tea. All right, I'm back. I got my tea. All right, pushing up here. What did we pull back to? Oh, we pulled back to 595. Could have taken that scalp off 600. Obviously, I did not. Also, I'm not a huge fan of trading the first few minutes of the open unless it's like
Order pet target filled.
right out of. I need to get a screwdriver for this handle. I have a screw loose on my chair, like on the handlebar, and so it's like. It just needs to be tightened. All right. Nope, this is not option trading. There's also like a message when you come into the stream that tells you exactly what I do. If you appreciate the content, please hit that heart or the thumbs up. Because again, I'm doing this for you guys. I don't have to say this stuff out loud for my own being. So if you guys appreciate that I go live every day, then please hit the thumbs up or the heart. Thank you. But no, I don't trade options. Is that Jamie? Jamie! Jamie, I really thought you were dead at one point. Like, you had me scared. You had me like scared.
Target filled.
Look, I'm 3 for 3 over here on this really crazy fast action chart. Hi, Jamie. So this is the NASDAQ 100. I appreciate you appreciating me, DJ. No joke. I was like, maybe he got COVID and something happened. Maybe his baby mama killed him. I don't know. I was like really nervous for your safety. Because I was like, I just talked to him. I was like, it's not like him to not respond to a business email. But I'm glad you're all good. All right, so happy Thursday, Tracy. Yeah, so the chop zone, I can explain it. So I can't explain how it comes to be the chop zone because it changes every day. It's a proprietary area. But what I like to do with the chop zone is I like to take shorts below and longs above. Again, I'm someone where I like to make trading really simple and not make it so complicated. I don't use indicators. This is now $170 over here, and it's been like, what, 3 minutes? The setup on my side has taken 5 trades, and it's $170. I had one loss for $30. That's a fun one. Nope. I have the S&P 500 on the other screen. I have the NASDAQ 100, and then I have gold and oil. I manually trade all of those as well as use my auto trading algorithm to trade those. But right now the only thing that has traded is this really fast scalping setup on the side. Oh, I might want to get in this long here. See how we ran right up to this resistance in the 50s and now we're pulling back. We do have the support here at 17. We also had bounced off of 600 before.
Order pending.
We'll see what happens there. Let me open this up. Oh, the 1 minute is in a short. So I'll bounce over to that chart and show you guys. Right here. Oh, that might end up being a loss. And I might actually manually take a long. We'll see. Oh, we're coming back down. The target is 600, so not horrible. Again, if you're new here, I go live every day from 9:15 to about 10:30, so please follow along if you think that would benefit you. I'm trying to watch this here to see if I want the long over 16 or not. It's kind of conflicting, but it is what it is. All right, so I got long at 19. The people in my manual group get these alerts in real time. First target's right here. Oh, that was a quick pullback. That was like 2 points from target too. The market is not forgiving today. What? So the 1 minute took a loss for $180. This is still in this trade. Let's see if we can move back up. Again, target is at 29. There we go. 27. All right, so my offset is in play. This is a guaranteed green trade. All right, TP1 hit. See if we can hit TP2, which is at 39. And then I will tell you what happened with the 1 minute on the auto trading algorithm. Yep. So this is the P&L right here. This is Trade-Evade. I use Trade-Evade to manually trade, and my break-even offset is right here. But it's not even a break-even. It's an offset in the green, so like $200.
Order pending.
All right, so I'm out of that now. You can see the position is 0. The 1 minute, now we'll go back here to the algorithm.
Order pending.
This is 255 over here.
Target filled.
This is at 305 now. I'm telling you, this one on Thursdays is legit. All right, so this one I'm just testing, of course, but it's 305 of profit. It started at 9:30, so it's been 6 minutes. It's taken 7 trades, and the biggest, it only had one loss, which was $30. Oh, hey, this, what you're seeing in front of you is an overflow of the 1 minute setup, which is up here on the top. These are actually both 1 minutes, but they're different 1 minutes. So it had a loss already for $180.
Order canceled.
And it it just took another loss there. So it's red, $315. This is one of my favorites. It's just not doing that great this morning. That's fine. And again, that other one's 305. So the only trades so far are these two. And then it just took that manual long on NQ. So this is NinjaTrader. You have to use NinjaTrader to use the automated system. But if you want to just manually trade, I would suggest Tradeovate. I think they're a better platform. We had a nice big move this morning. I don't really see us totally like dying here, but we could easily go back to the chop zone, which is 570, or the LIS, which is 589, and possibly just bounce from there and move sideways. We'll have to see. I don't like to predict what's going to happen, honestly. Like, I like to predict where price is going to go to after things have come into play and I've actually hit that. So,
target filled.
All right, so target hit on the 1 minute. So now it's only red $115. Not as bad as it was a minute ago. Also, this super scalper is green $355. Like, that's insane. It's only had that one loss. Like, if you look at it here, these are all the trades it's taken so far, and it only had one loss so far, which was $30. All right. So we'll see if we can grab another manual trade here, because I'm gonna watch this pretty closely. Again, a good pullback is nothing to be afraid of. Well, why is my chop zone not over here? Oh, is this? No. All charts. All right. Let me see what the group's talking about. All right, it's 9:39. If you're a seasoned member from my group years ago, that number should give you anxiety, or like that time of the day. This is also the 1 minute chart. I even said a pullback to this zone or the LIS would be fine. It's very normal to have pullbacks. I think pullbacks scare people, like, I don't know, and then they just freak them out. Like, I like a long hair over 88. We could bounce between here and here. We could come back to the zone. But I don't think we're just going to dump. We might. And if we do, then we can take the short too. It's just more opportunity. Yeah. Exactly. That's why you have to just be patient. Because if you're patient, then you have more opportunities. Because you're not, like, frustrated from doing a bunch of other stuff. I'm watching the DOM on my other screen, which is with Tradeovate, because it's easier to watch price action that way, and I feel like it's faster than the NQ price action. So I'm long over here in my manual group from 87. First target's going to be 97. If I get to 95, then my offset will go into the green. So we'll see what happens. Oh, might get stopped. Alright, I got stopped on that. I'm a little premature. If you've been on my streams before on a Thursday, I have mentioned that I believe Thursdays, thanks for the roses, Jake. I believe that Thursdays are one of the hardest days to trade. I think it goes across everything, but really more like manually trading. But yeah, it is what it is. So the winning trade, and then I just had the losing trade. So off of those two, I'm pretty much flat. Where's my other? Here it is. Nice job, DJ. This is NinjaTrader. This is NinjaTrader. And then I use Trade of 8 to manually trade. So this one is done. Now,
Order pending. Target filled.
all right, target hit. So now the 1 minute is green on the day. Good to see, because it was red $300 not too long ago. Now it's green $85. We're dropping below that chop zone. I missed that. 12.519. Whoa, that was a nice drop. Oh, you know what I want to look at right now? Well, I think I have orders anyway. I have some covered calls, but I have some limit orders on the exits of those, so. DJ, it just depends. Sure thing, D-Mert. Like, lately I feel like it's only been like 300, 500 a day. But some days could easily be like 1,000 or 3,000, but whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, let me get my iPad. I forgot, because I can look at my TD Ameritrade positions on that. One second. Close out all these gaming apps in here. So I forgot about this the other day, and I said something to Bill, because I don't like, it's so hard, the desktop app with TD Ameritrade, to really see things like any type of options. Look at, we're coming all the way back to the central pivot here. Well, it's not, when sometimes you're used to making like at least 1,000 a day, it seems like it's not a lot. But I'm not saying it in like a pompous way. I'm not that kind of person. Yeah, it depends on the... Yeah, it's definitely decent. I didn't say it wasn't. But, you know, like that one guy that just said he just made $4,000 today. That's not me. I did not. Caterpillar has been a really nice one. Oh, well, I guess... Even though the market's moving down, Tesla is still green. I thought some of my covered calls would be in the green, but they're not. Well, well, well. That's fine. Well, well, well. So I do offer mentorships or one-on-one coaching. If you email me, my email's right here. We can talk more about that. You can also go to my website. Yeah, so my coaching, like my digital mentorship, really starts at the most basic level of like, what is a candlestick? Why is this one green? Why is this one red? So if you want more information on that, you can go to my website, which is linked in my TikTok bio, and read about my digital mentorship or my one-on-one coaching, or you can just email me. My email's in my bio, and my email's right here. Thanks for the hearts, Jeffrey. I really appreciate that. People believe in Big Musky Boy with Tesla. Yeah, I love Tesla too, but I just got some covered calls yesterday, and I thought they would be in the green, but they're not. Bearish or bullish for the next week, and what's your reasoning? I don't do that, Matthew. You must be new to my stream. I don't give assumptions. Oh, the zones are in trades. Yes, and NQ. I don't predict the future. I like to trade the price action in front of me. And I'll give like a slight, like, oh, okay, if we break below this, then, I'm going to be targeting here, but I'm not going to say it's definitely going to go there, or that where we're going to go for the rest of the week. That's not kind of my style.
Order filled.
So I'm testing the zones off on the side. I know I told you guys that yesterday and I think the day before. So this is not a trade that I was in for real.
Filled.
So I'm testing the zones. Both of the zones just had a loss. They had a big move through here, and then they each tried to go short kind of at this bottom, so that's why they both had a loss. But those are both in simulation because I'm testing them to see if I like them on this. Did you cut it? The long on NQ, it cut itself. So I don't do those, Matthew, but I hope you figure it out. Good luck, whichever one you choose. For sure, and. So again, the only things I have live on my live account right now are the 1 minute, which is now done. And that made $85. Oh no, well it has a few more minutes and then it will be done. Right now it's green, $85. And then the 15-minute range, which doesn't trade until 11 a.m. Those are the only two things I have live. I wonder, because I didn't even have... Oh, and I have Bold Cross, but this doesn't start until 10 a.m. So 9:30 to 10, 10 to 11, and then 11 until the afternoon. So this is the $85 one. This will probably be its last trade. It's long here. Target is at 514. Again, this is all done for me. It gets me in the trade. It gets me out of the trade, whether that's profit or loss or a trail stop. It does everything. So we'll see what happens with this one. So again, this strategy, I'm green, $85 on the day, but that's it so far. Because it had started off pretty rough. It had 2 losses, and it was red 300 at one point. All right, here we go. Target is $200. So if we get that, then we'll be at 285 for the day. Pretty close, 170. And if you're using the auto trading algorithm, you can turn it, like you can get out of a trade at any point if you wanted to. You could just close the trade. You could move your target down a little, whatever suits you. But I typically tell people to not touch it and just kind of trust in the algo. How many hours per day do you keep your algo on? So I turn it on actually at 6 p.m. every night. So it's technically on 23 hours a day. But within each strategy, it has a set time that it trades. So like I was just saying, this 1 minute only trades, from 9:30 to 10. This 1 minute trades from 10 to 11. So that's within the parameters of the algorithm, like of that specific strategy. So it doesn't even matter if I have it enabled up here or not. It will only trade within the time specified in the strategy, if that makes sense. I hope it does. All right, so we'll see what happens here.
Order canceled.
All right, so that ended up being a loss. So we were At $170 in profit, so $30 from target, but couldn't make it happen. So now the 1 minute is red, $110 on the day. And that's probably going to be the last trade for the day. So I can show you. Strategy performance, bolt break switch, real time. So it took 5 trades. The first 2 were both red. So again, $110 on the morning. If we would have hit that target on this one, we would have been green 285 on the day, because I was 85 green before this last trade. But again, losses happen, red days happen, and this is just one strategy. So I have 2 other strategies that are going to start running after this one. So we'll see what happens with those.
Order pending. Target filled.
Oh, look, the 1 minute just got in another trade right before the strategy ends, and it hit target. So now it's green $90. Here, let me expand the chart so you can see it. So right here, it just hit target. So now if you go back to it, not cross. Now it's green $90 on the day. 6 trades, 50%, and that will pretty much be the end of it. This is NinjaTrader. My auto trading algorithm only works on NinjaTrader. All right, come on. Some of my covered calls have to be green here. This is just ridiculous. This is. Let's see. Come on, Tesla. Still red 700 on Caterpillar is booming. I got in Caterpillar last week at like 170. It's at 187 today. I've been trading. Hey, trading trucker. I've been trading for about 20 years. Oh my gosh. I've been trading futures for 7 years. I haven't even taken a sip of my tea though. Let me do that. All right. And then I was also responding to Ryan. All right. How come she doesn't respond? Hello, Jello. I actually respond immediately, and my voice needed a second to calm itself because I'm not going to have one if I keep constantly talking. Why are there so many haters? Like, damn, yeah, people love to hate. I don't know. And it's the same person. And or rate, like, he doesn't even speak English. And then he's mad that I'm not responding. Like, okay, whatever you say. Hello, Jello. Like, sorry, I also have people in my group that come over and are more important than you. But yes, Jasmine, I do have a one-on-one. I don't have a Bugatti because I'm not stupid. I have several houses. TikTok Tim, because people have nothing better to do in their life than to hate on someone they don't know because they're so sad in their life. But we'll just let them do that. What is the bar time you're using? So this is, oh, sorry, kind of went out of the focus. This is a 20-minute. Trump will turn that shit around. No money to the UK. Okay. Sheffield makes more money than you. Hello. Thanks. Good old box flat. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. So you can go to my website or you can just email me and we can talk about kind of like what you're looking for and what I offer. My email's right here. It's also in my... Oh, I see it now. All right, so there's another person trying to... Now I've had 2 impersonators this week. There's another person trying to impersonate me.
Pending. Target filled.
I think they put 2 and 3 underscores. Guys, don't fall for these people. So this looks exactly like me, but if you look really closely, this bar is longer and this bar is longer. So I have 1 underscore. This person put 2 underscores and then 3 underscores. They're trying to follow my members and my followers and then poach you guys for crypto. If you know me well enough, you know I hate crypto. I don't do crypto. I don't do options. I don't do anything but futures. Well, then go report, Jamie, go report this person. Because I had to do that the other day. If somebody had a boldbot underscore Lauren and was talking to my members, like people, and trying to like sell them. Oh, we're also one for one on the Bold Cross. Go to these profiles and report them. I don't even know how they got my fucking logo. These people are psycho, I swear. I swear. And hi, YouTube. If you're one of the 23 people on YouTube and you haven't pushed that thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it if you do so. So go search boldbot underscore underscore. That's a fake. Boldbot underscore underscore underscore. That's a fake. Report them. Say that they're impersonating me because that's what they're doing and they're trying to follow people and sell you guys on crypto. And they literally took my stuff. Oh my god, these people are fucking crazy. This is my stuff. And look at this email. What the hell is this? Botlick? What is wrong with people? Report them. Thank you, Dave, for sending this to me. And this person too, which literally puts the same thing, but it's not me. Oh my god, people have no life. People are so bored. See, that's why I'm not really responding, because I'm posting to the people in my group so nobody gets spammed by these dumb fuckers. Like, what? Alright, now I'm coming back to the questions. So yeah, I block almost every new friend request lately on this app. Good, Enzo, but we need to report them, because if not, then they're going to get somebody. You know what I'm saying? So if we report them, at least then TikTok can do their job. Jamie, you should watermark your videos. Well, it's essentially watermarked. Well, yeah, but then it would be the same. Well, I didn't think it was that serious. Andy made $3,000 this morning. Great job. Sorry, guys. I'm kind of all over the place this morning. Nope, I don't do a free trial. I'm in Canada. Do you still help? Yes. Yep, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I don't follow the 10-year. Honestly. All right, so no new likes on YouTube, so I'm just going to get off here. Because you guys are not, Alex, thumbs up. You guys are not appreciative, and that is not nice. How, oh my gosh, look at this central pivot bounce. I don't look at the manifest update thing to the slow day work. Oh, okay. Well, let me add you, Jamie, let me add you back because I got to send you the current file because remember, it's different from yours. Oh my gosh.